The highlights of this G+1 Duplex home renovation project is structural renovation involving L-shaped balcony creation, interior remodeling with right space planning, interior design, aesthetic upgradation and skylight creation. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Siddharth, founder of Inkstone Infra, your home renovation expert in Bangalore. In this video, I will take you through this home renovation project that is located in Uttarahalli, Bangalore. The main purpose behind this renovation project was to remodel this house with right space planning and create provisions to bring in natural light and ventilation. Earlier, there was a common bathroom here. Beside this, a big master bathroom having access from the bedroom. We demolished existing bathrooms and constructed a new master bathroom with high functionality and created an L-shaped balcony. This balcony has access from living room and also from the bedroom. It is complete with glass in sleek railing. Anti-skid tiles were laid to the balcony floor. Added to this, we created a provision for skylight by demolishing the ceiling. The skylight is complete with a toughened glass mounted on MS structure. This brings in natural light and ventilation to this west-facing house. Before I explain about interior space planning involved in this project, take a look at how this house was before. There was no suitable provision for placement of sofa and TV. Sofa was in the middle, blocking the free moving space. The kitchen lacked functionality and ergonomic design. Also, the dining area was not comfortable for use. So, to solve this space planning issue, we had to combine both civil renovation and interior design for remodeling this house. We at Inkstone Infra provide right architectural solution through renovation. We shifted the main door and designed a floor-to-ceiling TV unit on a designer partition. By doing this, sofa can be comfortably placed to the wall without disturbing the moving space in the center. This TV unit reflects the modern contemporary style of interior design that has suspended drawers that is just perfect. Please find all videos related to this home renovation project in the playlist link given in the description below. Let us take a look at the kitchen now, the most important part of every home. The aim of this kitchen was to create sufficient storage and functional space. So, we have designed an L-shaped kitchen with a base unit, overhead units, a tall unit and high volume lofts. The laminates used are high glossy dove purple and fig white. The base unit is made below white quartz countertop. It has hinged storage and tandem boxes. Three tandem boxes for cutlery plain thali has been provided with soft close channels. The overhead unit accommodates chimney and has open shelves in the corners for easy access. The provision for a water purifier is made above the sink. The high volume lofts provide space for additional storage and conceals the chimney exhaust pipe. This opening in the kitchen adds style and makes it easy to serve food in the dining. Space utilization had been the key to this dining area design. The space for inverter is created below the stairs here. A minimalistic partition complements the dining area interior design. The open family living area on the first floor is now converted to a home theater room. Take a look at the design. We have taken the balcony in through horizontal extension and designed a study unit with bay window seating arrangement. The bay window is perfect to enjoy the calm Bangalore weather, especially on a rainy evening. Repainting the house means redesigning the ambience. Aesthetic upgradation involved the entire house repainting with shades of morning glory for the walls and brown paper for the doors. The transformation from boring orange to lighter shade brought new life to this house. The newly constructed bathroom has anti-skid tiles for the floor with complementary matte finish tiles to the walls. Premium range commode shower fittings are installed. A frosty glass partition is provided. So, this was about this G+1 home renovation that is located in Uttarahalli, Bangalore. For home renovation, call us today. For more videos on home renovation, interior space planning and interior design, please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you.